guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hi, hello, welcome, thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is going to be my Jeffree Star Summer Mystery Box unboxing. So I got the deluxe and the premium boxes, and I'm going to do a unboxing for you guys. I know Jeffree is problematic, all that. I really don't care. For me, it's about the makeup. Everybody is problematic in their own way, so like I don't get why we need to cancel people for it. I'm just sick and tired of cancel culture. He makes great makeup and the mystery boxes are such a good deal, so I'm going to buy them. I love his products, so if I can get them discounted and stuff, then I'm going to do that. I just don't understand the cancel culture behind him when there's so many other people who are super problematic in YouTube, in like acting, political, all that stuff, and people still support them. All that aside, I could go on a rant about people being problematic and canceling some and not others, but we're not going to even go there. If you guys would like to see what I got in my Jeffree Star mystery boxes, then just keep on watching. So first is the premium box, and this retails for $60 and you're supposed to get like $115 worth of product in here. So first thing in the box is this Rainbow Sherbet lip scrub. I love his lip scrubs. They are so good. So getting them in the boxes, I am not complaining. This one smells so good. I cannot wait to use this. This is what this one looks like. It is just a very pretty bright green shade, but oh my gosh, it smells just like rainbow sherbet. I just want to like take a spoon and eat it. And then we have a gloss in the shade Silk Rope. This is the shade of the gloss here. So I love his lip gloss formula. We are just going to try this on. All right, so this is what the lip gloss looks like on. I think it's really pretty. I feel like I'm going to use this a lot. I have the Legends Only, which is the only other lip gloss I had from him. I feel like I need to mix those two and kind of see how they would look. Very comfortable. His glosses are so good. Then we have this Cowboy Kiss tinted lip balm. I love the packaging of his lipsticks because they are literally like bullets, and I'm absolutely obsessed with that. Like, oh, it is so nice. This is the shade of it here. So when I saw the shade, I was definitely afraid that it was going to be like a dark brown, but I'm glad it's not. Yeah, that's pretty. Feels nice, smooth, and hydrating, so I can dig that. So then we have this magnetic palette. It is still in the packaging. I see 3 singles in here. So I am going to open this later and pop those in there, but this is super cute. I don't know what the retail value of this is going to be, but I had a feeling that he was going to be coming out with one of these because he was selling singles. So like, why would he come out with singles and not a magnetic palette? So this is nice. All right, so then for the 3 singles, I got the shade Root Canal, Fuck, and Raspberry. So first off, we have the shade Raspberry. All right, so this is the Raspberry shade. Then we have the shade Root Canal. That's the shade Root Canal there. And then Fuck. I'm definitely happier that it's not as bright, intense as this looks, because I don't really wear, you know, bright pinks, bright oranges. I'm glad this is like a corally color where it's kind of in between, but it was also very intimidating when I saw it. I'm really happy I got 3 matte shades, but I also love all matte looks, so I'm definitely happy. I feel like these 3 colors would pair really pretty together, so at least it's a color story that works. And the last thing in the box is the Star Ranch palette, and I am so excited for this. So here is the actual Star Ranch palette. I love the Star Ranch. Color story aside, I love the guns around the mirror. I don't really love pink, so I wouldn't get myself a pink revolver, but like, it's cute. And here is the color story. It is so beautiful. This is like 2015, 2016 me in a palette. So I want to swatch Yak Farm, Grand Prismatic, Star Creek, Hope and Range. Oh, these are so pretty. I cannot wait to use this on my eyeballs. So now on to the deluxe box. So the deluxe box retails for $100 and it's a $183 value. All right, so the first 2 items are another magnetic palette and the Star Ranch palette. I am going to give these both to a friend because I don't need another Star Ranch palette and I don't really need another magnetic palette. So then we have one of his makeup bags, and I would have preferred the one where it's like the zipper on the top and you kind of put everything in, but this one is super cute as well, and I'm glad it's the marble one because if I were to get one that was in this was definitely one that I was gonna buy, but like this has so much space in here. And then you've got like a little zipper spot here. So then we have another lip scrub. This is the pink grapefruit. Oh, I love grapefruit. This is the color here. That is delicious. So then we have another gloss. This is the shade Beaded Glass. I'm not sure if this is a new one or if this is already in his collection, but it is so pretty. It's one of those shimmery glosses. Ooh. Yes, I like this lip combo. Yeah, I could dig that. Okay, I'm gonna leave this on. I'm not even gonna try the other lip products we have. I'll swatch them on my hand, but I'm not gonna put them on my lips because I really like this lip combo. So then we have this Blood Stain Tinted Lip Balm. Again, same ammunition packaging. So for this one, I would have preferred it to be like an actual dark blood red lipstick shade. I don't really like baby reds like this, like where it just looks like a popsicle kind of thing. I don't like light reds, light pinks, like those kind of colors on me. So I am going to be giving this to a friend as well. Then we have his liquid lipstick in the shade Calabasas. So we all know I'm not the biggest pink fan, but like I'll definitely have to try that on and see if I like it. I'm not 100% sure. The swatch is a pretty color. It's not like it's super bright pink, but I'm not 100% sure if I'll get a lot of use out of that. I love his liquid lipstick formula, and the thing with that is you can always use it as like eyeliner, a cream eyeshadow and stuff. Alright, so then the 3 single shadows I got in this box is O Positive, Intravenous, and Lemon Drop. Alright, so first off we have O Positive. That is so pretty. If you guys saw my last video where I ranked my last 10 palettes, this is the kind of shade I wish was in the Natasha Denona palette versus that bright purple shade. Then we have Intravenous. This is the Intravenous, right? Intravenous. I don't know how to say words sometimes, guys, but that's this shade right here. Super pretty chocolatey brown shade. And then lastly we have Lemon Drop, which look at that shimmery yellow gold shade. I love that so much. I'm really happy with the shades I got. I definitely got my money's worth out of these boxes. These are the only 3 that I didn't really get my money's worth from because these are duplicates and this is the shade I wouldn't really wear. And then again, we will just have to see if I like Calabasas on my lips or not. So this is another iffy product, but for 3 or 4 items being just for me, very impressed. These are the colors I got all together for those singles. This is such a springy summer color story, so very pretty. I'm definitely going to be getting use out of this little palette here. The Star Ranch palette is absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to play around with that. I kind of want to take all my makeup off and just put this on my eyes, but I don't have the time to take off my makeup and redo it before going to work. The makeup bag, so pretty. The glosses are both so pretty. The lip scrubs, that tinted lip balm, well done. I'm very happy with these 2 mystery boxes. Alright guys, so that was it for my Jeffree Star Summer 2021 mystery box unboxing for the premium and the deluxe box. Let me know what you guys got in your boxes, if you got these boxes as well, if you got the Supreme. Definitely let me know what you got in that because I'm really curious on what's in that because I haven't seen anybody get it yet. I'm really happy with these boxes. I know with the mystery boxes sometimes it's very on like the shades you can get. So yeah, I'm really glad with everything. I don't have anything that's duplicated that I have already in my collection, which is nice. So all these are new to me other than those duplicates because I knew I was going to get the duplicate palette between both boxes because he said that they were going to be in the 3 boxes. So I already knew I was going to get another Star Ranch, but I'm going to quit rambling. If you guys liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the little bell notifications so you guys know every single time that I upload. And yeah, I love you guys and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.